Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make organic oil for hair. Gather cold-pressed carrier oils, dried herbs, a sterilized glass jar, and measuring tools before you begin. Measure precise ratios and prepare a gentle warming method like a double boiler to avoid overheating. Label your containers with date and ingredients after straining, and store oils in a cool, dark spot to extend freshness and potency. To make a nourishing infusion, combine 1 cup of carrier oil with 2 tablespoons of dried herbs or 1 handful of fresh botanicals, adjusting for potency. Use a double boiler or slow cooker on low heat for 2 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally and ensuring the oil never boils. Cool, strain with cheesecloth, then perform a patch test on skin for 24 hours before regular use to carefully check sensitivity. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future hair care tips. Quick recommendation: pick up the leak-proof containers for neat storage and travel. They seal tightly and stack well for meal prep or storing oil blends without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and support the channel today if you use the product. Now let's get back to the video. Store your finished oil in amber or dark glass bottles to protect it from light and oxidation, and keep containers tightly sealed. Use within 6 months, or up to a year if kept refrigerated and no scent changes occur, and always note the preparation date on the label. Apply as a pre-shampoo treatment, scalp massage, or split-end serum, using small amounts regularly to avoid greasy buildup and maintain hair balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.